This is a 1968 Dolphin-class submarine. Compared to the Russian one that I visited, this is more modern, although smaller, significantly smaller. I think they said it was about 165 feet. But I'll just take you for a quick run through this. And you can see the electronics are much more modern than the Russian submarine I just toured. There's the periscope. Take a step back on that. There you go. And we'll go to the end. Radio room. And just go right back. There's the bunks. And go right through to the back.